What if I told you there's an AI video niche quietly racking up tens of millions of views and almost nobody is making it yet? I stumbled on this completely by accident, and the moment I saw the numbers, I knew I had to share it with you. We're talking about Animal POV Camera videos, where it looks like a tiny camera is strapped directly onto a real animal. The results look insanely realistic, and the views? Absolutely crazy. And here's the best part. You can create these entirely with free AI tools. No expensive software, no camera, no animals required. In this full tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos step by step, from the prompt to the final video, so you can start publishing today. The first thing you want to do is open the document link in the description below. Inside, you'll find the master prompt we'll be using throughout this entire tutorial. I've also dropped the direct text file in our Telegram channel, so grab it from whichever is easier for you. Now here's what makes this master prompt special. It's completely universal. One single prompt can generate countless different animal and insect video ideas. So copy the entire prompt carefully. Don't miss any part of it. Once you've copied it, head over to ChatGPT and paste it in. The moment you hit send, ChatGPT will automatically generate a list of 20 insects and small animals to choose from. Simply pick whichever one interests you. And if you have something specific in mind that's not on the list, say ants for example, just type the name directly and it works perfectly. For this tutorial, we're going to create a video. If Desert Pocket Mouse shows up as number 16 on the list, simply type 16 and hit send. It's that simple. ChatGPT will then generate two things: one image prompt to create your starting image, and 5 motion prompts that we'll use to generate the actual video clips. We'll create the image first, then bring it to life using those motion prompts. And for both the image and video generation, we'll be using the free version of Grok AI, so no paid tools whatsoever. Now that ChatGPT has generated everything we need, it's time to bring this to life. Start by copying the image prompt that ChatGPT just generated. Then open up Grok AI, again, completely free. Once you're in, click on Imagine, paste that image prompt into the input field, and select the Image option. Before you hit Generate, take a second to select your aspect ratio. For YouTube Shorts or vertical content, go with a portrait ratio. For standard YouTube videos, stick with landscape. Once that's set, go ahead and click Generate. Within just a few seconds, Grok will give you multiple image variations to choose from. Take your time here and pick the one that looks the most realistic and cinematic. This image is going to be the foundation of your entire video, so choosing the right one matters. Once you've picked your favorite, save it. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video motion prompt. Head back over to Grok AI, but this time select the Make Video option instead. Paste your motion prompt in and hit Generate. And just like that, your first Animal POV video clip is ready. Go ahead and take a look at how realistic that looks. Pretty insane, right? Save that clip. Now here's where the magic really happens. And this is the key to making the whole video flow seamlessly together. For your next clip, instead of starting from scratch, go back to your previous video and copy its very last frame. Head back into Grok AI, go to the Imagine tab, and paste that last frame as your starting image. Then grab the second motion prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, and generate. What this does is create a smooth, continuous visual story. Each clip picks up exactly where the last one left off, making your final video look professionally produced rather than a bunch of random clips stitched together. Just repeat this same process for each of the remaining motion prompts, always using the last frame of the previous clip as your starting point. And before you know it, you'll have all your video scenes ready to go. If you hit a limit on Grok AI, simply sign in with a new Gmail account and continue. All right. Now that all your clips are generated and saved, it's time to pull everything together into the final video. Open up your editing software. I'm personally using CapCut for this, and I'd recommend it because it's free, beginner-friendly, and more than powerful enough for this type of content. But honestly, any editing software you're comfortable with will work just fine. Once you're in, import all your clips and arrange them in the exact order they were generated. Since we use the last frame technique, they should already flow together beautifully like one continuous shot. Now here's a small but important detail. Slightly zoom into each clip, just a tiny bit. This does two things. It removes the Grok AI watermark logo from the footage, if there's any, and it actually makes the video feel more immersive and cinematic, like a real camera mounted on a real animal. And that's literally it. Your viral Animal POV video is completely done and ready to upload. Let's preview it again. Honestly, look at how good that looks. Nobody watching this would ever guess it was made entirely with free AI tools in under an hour. This niche is wide open right now, and the channels jumping on it earliest are going to win the most. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people. And if you want more AI tutorials like this one, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. I'll see you in the next one.